Hey there, welcome back to our channel where your well-being is our top priority. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects every single one of us, men's and women's reproductive health. Yes, we're talking about those little details down under that have a big impact on our overall health and happiness. So, if you're ready to take charge of your reproductive health in the best possible way, then let's get started. But before we begin, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest health insights. All right, let's dive in. Did you know that the ovaries and testes, these tiny powerhouses hidden away in our bodies, do much more than just help us bring new life into the world? Oh no, they're like little factories churning out essential hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone that influence all aspects of our health and well-being. These reproductive organs play a crucial role in shaping who we are, from our energy levels to our moods, muscle mass, libido, metabolism, and even our bone density. Now, when these hormonal factories face any imbalance, oh boy, it can lead to a whole host of not-so-delightful symptoms. We're talking about fatigue, weight gain, low libido, acne, irregular periods, erectile dysfunction, or even infertility. Can you say frustrating? It's like trying to navigate a roller coaster ride while blindfolded. But fear not, because we've got the keys to keeping these hormonal factories running smoothly. So get ready to discover how you can maintain a harmonious balance, keep your reproductive system healthy, and boost your fertility naturally and effectively. Say goodbye to hormonal havoc and hello to a healthier, happier you. Ready to uncover the secrets of reproductive health? Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the foods that can make a world of difference when it comes to balancing your hormones. Start by loading up on leafy green veggies like spinach and kale. These veggies are like little helpers that can speed up the breakdown of excess estrogen, keeping your hormonal levels in check. But that's not all. They also come packed with essential nutrients that support your overall health and well-being. So go ahead, add a handful of spinach to your smoothie or toss some kale into your salad and give your reproductive health a natural boost. Next up, avocados and olive oil. These are your go-to sources of healthy fats. Incorporating these delicious options into your diet can provide the necessary building blocks for hormone production. Whether you're enjoying a guacamole toast or drizzling some olive oil on your salad, these foods can help keep your hormones in balance and your taste buds happy. Now let's shift our focus to some excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. We're talking about fish like salmon and sardines, as well as flaxseed and chia seeds. These powerhouses are not only rich in omega-3s, but also packed with antioxidants and other essential nutrients. Aim to include a serving of fatty fish in your weekly meals and sprinkle flaxseed or chia seeds into your yogurt or smoothies. These little nutritional gems can go a long way in supporting your hormonal health. Pumpkin seeds, lentils, and shellfish. These foods are your go-to sources of zinc. Zinc plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels and improving sperm quality. A handful of pumpkin seeds or a serving of lentils or shellfish can provide you with the zinc you need to keep your reproductive system in tip-top shape. So why wait? Add these superfoods to your diet and give your reproductive health a natural boost. And don't forget fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. These tangy treats are brimming with beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. A happy gut means better nutrient absorption and better hormonal balance. So go ahead, indulge in a bowl of yogurt or enjoy some kimchi with your meal. Your gut and your hormones will thank you for it. By incorporating these hormone-balancing foods into your daily meals, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to keep its reproductive system humming along smoothly. Speaking of movement, let's discuss the exercises that can help you achieve hormonal harmony. For men, prioritize strength training exercises such as weightlifting 3 to 4 times a week. These exercises are like personal trainers for your muscles, helping them grow stronger and boosting your overall vitality. Strength training not only increases muscle mass, but also stimulates the production of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. By lifting weights or using resistance bands, you can engage your muscles and encourage the release of testosterone, which is essential for sperm production and maintaining a healthy reproductive system. But that's not all. Strength training also plays a role in reducing body fat. Excess body fat can lead to hormonal imbalances, including lower testosterone levels. So by toning up and trimming down, you're giving your reproductive health an extra boost. To maximize your results, aim for at least 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for each major muscle group. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Cardiovascular exercise is also important for men's reproductive health. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming can help improve blood circulation and reduce stress, both of which are beneficial for overall hormonal balance. However, it's essential not to overdo it with cardio. Excessive cardio has been shown to potentially lower testosterone levels. So find a healthy balance by incorporating moderate amounts of cardio alongside your strength training routine. Now let's turn our attention to our amazing ladies. For women, engaging in regular physical activity such as yoga, Pilates, or low-impact cardio can make a significant difference in maintaining hormonal balance. These activities promote flexibility, strength, and relaxation, which are essential for managing stress and regulating hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Yoga, with its combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, is particularly effective in reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, and promoting overall well-being. Pilates focuses on core strength, flexibility, and body awareness, which can help improve posture and reduce tension. Low-impact cardio activities like walking, cycling, or swimming offer a gentle yet effective way to keep your heart healthy and your hormones balanced without putting excessive strain on your joints. It's important for women to listen to their bodies and avoid overtraining, which can disrupt menstrual cycles and affect fertility. Strive for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, spread out over several days. Incorporate strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups twice a week to maintain muscle mass and bone health. Remember, finding the right balance and intensity is key to supporting your reproductive health. So whether you're into strength training, yoga, or a combination of various activities, there's an exercise routine out there for you. Just remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified fitness trainer to develop a personalized plan that suits your individual needs and abilities. Now let's get moving towards a healthier, happier you. All right, now let's talk about those simple yet powerful daily habits that can make a world of difference when it comes to supporting your reproductive health. Let's start with the basics. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body releases essential hormones like growth hormone and melatonin, which play a vital role in regulating other hormones. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal rest. Another habit that can significantly impact your reproductive health is getting natural sunlight. Exposure to sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which is essential for regulating hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes in the sun each day, but remember to protect your skin with sunscreen when necessary. Just a little bit of sunshine can make a big difference. Furthermore, it's important to be mindful of endocrine disruptors, which are chemicals that can interfere with your hormone balance. Reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals by using natural skincare products, avoiding single-use plastics, and opting for glass or stainless steel water bottles. Make conscious choices to minimize the use of pesticides, herbicides, and synthetic fertilizers in your food. By reducing your exposure to endocrine disruptors, you're creating a healthier environment for your hormones to thrive. Supplements can be a helpful addition to your daily routine when it comes to balancing your hormones. Consider taking supplements like magnesium, vitamin D, zinc, or ashwagandha, which have been shown to support hormone health. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to ensure they are safe and appropriate for you. Remember, supplements should complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Finally, it's crucial to listen to your body and pay attention to any signs of imbalance or discomfort. Irregular periods, low energy levels, or changes in libido could indicate that your body needs some extra love and attention. Don't hesitate to seek professional help or guidance to address these concerns. Taking care of your reproductive health is an investment in your overall well-being. By adopting these simple yet powerful habits, you're taking proactive steps to keep your reproductive system functioning optimally. Nurture your body, respect its signals, and embrace a lifestyle that supports your hormonal balance. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to supporting your reproductive health naturally. From understanding the importance of your reproductive organs, to embracing the power of a balanced diet, exercise, and daily habits, you now have the knowledge and tools to take charge of your reproductive well-being. Remember, it's all about making informed choices that nourish your body and support your overall health. If you found this video informative and empowering, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness and inspire others on their own reproductive health journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and embrace a life that celebrates your unique beauty.